All right. Anyway, let's see here. So the crypto news. There was one that I was actually wanting to talk about. For one, I don't know if y'all know, but there's a company called BlackRock, and they manage like $11 trillion US dollars of people's money, right? Their whole job is to like take people's money and invest it in something. Okay, so they took, well, this is purely speculation. We don't know for sure. But they took people's money and they put into Bitcoin. They announced that they've done that. They haven't announced how much they've done. But the normal thing to do is people would put like 2 to 5%. If they have like a big company or organization, they put like 2 or 5% into Bitcoin. And some put a lot more than that. Word on the street, they put at least 1% at the very minimum, but probably more like 2 or 5%. We don't know. And that's of all the money that they manage, right? 11 trillion. So like 1%, I think somebody had figured out today that it was $70 billion would be 1%. $70 billion, guys. My God. They're going to put $70 billion into Bitcoin. That's pretty huge. Anyway, they're like the biggest
_game09 says
investment
news, by the way.
What you may call it, money management company, whatever, in the world. So that's pretty crazy that they're investing into Bitcoin. That's huge.
Yes.
Son. Anyway, Montley fool, they were talking a lot of crap about Bitcoin recently, and it's really funny that they kind of changed their tune, and now they're adding $5 million into Bitcoin, and they're predicting a $500,000 Bitcoin target. Pretty crazy, All right, this is on Cointelegraph, guys. This is where I'm getting my news, so if anybody wants to check out any of these articles, you can. I've already gotten this news earlier, but this just helps me refresh of what I've already heard about, and maybe we'll find something that we haven't heard about, but let's see here. Let's see what else. NFTs are a big thing now. NFTs are pretty crazy. So NFTs are like basically like like sports cards or like Pokemon cards or whatever. And you find like this special edition one, right? And it's worth a lot of money. All right. Well, they've got like digital versions of this kind of stuff now on a blockchain, and they're called NFTs.
Hello.
Pretty crazy. And people are going to collect these things, and people are paying like 25 grand for like a digital image on a blockchain. There's like limited editions, and there's like only 10 that are ever made, and people are snatching these NFTs up. It's a hot deal right now, Logan Paul's making his own NFT. Everybody's making their own NFTs, so people can collect them, and they pay a lot of money for it. It's crazy. I might get involved in that. I don't know yet. I'm gonna do some more research because I don't know a lot about it yet, but it's pretty interesting. You have a lot of Pokemon cards? That's cool.
Hi, gamer.
Let's see here. Why did Bitcoin and Ethereum price correct sharply overnight? I mean, we kind of we have speculation, that it's F2 pool. F2 pool is like the biggest mining pool in the world that mines Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? And they've been accused of price manipulation. We don't know for sure, but there's a lot that I guess points to that. And so, like, what they're doing is
are you begging it too crazy?
They're playing two sides of the game, right? So what they'll do is they'll sell off a bunch of Bitcoin or a bunch of Ethereum, right? And it causes the price to go down. People freak out and people jump out, not knowing what's going on. People just sell because they're scared, right?
Try to keep gaps between comments, please.
They got what they're, they got what you call like paper hands, right? They don't have diamond hands. They don't want to hold on. They don't hold on strong. The slightest dropped. Oh my God, I got to get out of here, And so those people get scared out, And then what happens?
_gamer09.
What happens is they're playing two sides of the game. So
_gamer09.
they're on another exchange. Holy shit, we're going up right now on Bitcoin.
You play Fortnite.
It's seriously going up right now. That's really cool to see. But anyway, what happens is they're shorting Bitcoin. So they sell it on one exchange, and then on another exchange they're shorting it. They're betting that the price will go down on the other exchange. So when they short it and the price goes down, they're making money. You see what I'm saying? So they're selling at the top, causing it to go down, and then on the other exchange, they are shorting it to make money. So they're cheating, basically. Yeah. That's what they're accused of. This is purely speculation. We don't know for sure, right? But the people that everybody thinks it is F2 Pool, the biggest mining company in the world. It's crazy. But anyway, on positive news, Bitcoin hit another new all-time high. Hitting like, let's see here, what do we hit? Let's take a look. I think we got up to about 52,600 something. It was something like that. About 52,640, 52,650, somewhere in that range right there. You kind of see it. I think it's about 52,640, $52,640, which is really insane. And it stayed for most of the day above 52,000. And then, of course, after before I started this live stream, guys, it dropped below 52,000, and it's just dropping. I'm like, what the hell, man? I want to have something exciting for you guys, and Bitcoin didn't disappoint, because look at that big ass green candle right there. It is going right back up, and I freaking love to see that. Oh, I think this is going well. Anyway, as far as any other news, I'm trying to see if there's anything I forgot about. I pretty much covered a lot. A lot of people are very hot on this Cardano, saying it's gonna compete with Ethereum, but I don't really feel that way, honestly, bro. I think Cardano is probably gonna do great, and people could make a lot of money on it, probably. But is it gonna really take over, Ethereum? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. So here it says BTC miners pocket 4 million in 60 minutes, the highest hourly revenue in Bitcoin history. $4 million in 60 minutes. Yeah, but how many miners was it? All the miners? Probably all the miners, right? Still pretty crazy, but I don't know. Anyway, that's it for the news, guys. Cover the news. We got Bitcoin. I guess we can see what Ethereum is doing, and then we get into some shout-outs. The giveaway's open. Buy your raffle tickets. Alright, let's switch over to Ethereum real quick.
Hi, Lori.
Okay.
Potion_gamer09.
Okay.
Hi at Lori Valenta.
Ethereum. So Ethereum actually hit 1,000.
Hello at Lori Valenta.
It was a little under. Maybe 1,918 or something like that. In that neighborhood right there. Really amazing, man, because Ethereum not too long ago was literally $700, $800, and now it's at almost 1,900 again. It's coming back up. It dropped when Bitcoin dropped, but look, it's coming back up when Bitcoin comes back up. So that's really cool, man. Very, very awesome. Money is growing, man. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna make some money. But I wanted to go a lot further before I start cashing out some, paying off loans and stuff. I'm gonna wait a while for that, but I think it'll happen soon now. We'll pay off some loans, and then we'll kind of be nearly debt free and have a lot of money, to for the future. Got a lot of things to do, with the money in the future, go to the Philippines, and, get a new house, There's a lot of things that I'm trying to do. So I need the money. Anyway, so yeah, that's Ethereum right there, guys. I'll give you guys the Ethereum logo at the top there. So we'll watch Ethereum for a little bit, and then we'll switch back to Bitcoin. But we're going to get into some shout-outs. Nightbot is coming online. Alright. Big
Morris
shout out to
Salty
Paul
Cup
Blogs too. Yeah, upgraded
says,
for elite
Commander
supporter. More Salty Cup, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Best of luck to you. Thank you very much, Laurie Valenta. I appreciate it. Yeah, so basically, like, half the money, half the holdings I have is half my money and half loan money, right? So when it doubles, then what I plan on doing is paying off those loans. Maybe not all, but most of them. And so that's like my plan. I think it's a solid plan. Because I'm confident in everything just doubling and tripling and quadrupling and making 5 times and maybe making 10 times the money. I'm confident in that. I just don't know how long all that's going to take. But I feel like doubling the money, that's coming soon. Very soon. So I'm hoping for that either this month or by the middle of next month. A lot of people are putting some crazy price targets on these things, man. Like, there's a guy that's saying by the end of March, Ethereum should be at $3,000.
Bitcoin Slicer.
And, you know, they're saying, like, Bitcoin at, like, 64 or something, $70,000 by the end of March. It's just crazy, man. And then, like, saying, like, 250,000 by the end of the year. Holy shiz. It's crazy. This stuff's no joke, man. Like, there's not very many investments out. There's nothing that can compete with crypto right now. The way crypto's just blowing up. Like, it's... what's my opinion on Dogecoin? On Dogecoin, okay. You know, it might go back up. It might be a thing. It's probably not going to drop down to 2 or 3 cents.
Yeah, change it.
And probably not even 4 cents. You probably won't even see that ever again. Probably not. In my opinion, I don't think you would ever see that again with Dogecoin. Do I think they're going to actually get $1 Dogecoin? I don't know, man. It's going to take a lot to make that $1. I don't think it's going to reach that height. There's a lot of people that are like, I guess you'd call them moon boys, and they're expecting it to reach that. Is going to rocket? Is it going to rocket? Okay. I don't know. It could. But there's going to be things that need to happen for that to happen, right? Elon's going to need to start talking about it again. So, I don't know. We'll see if he does.
Sinister RP says,
he has a lot to do with Doge.
Stock market much, bro.
More people need to talk about Doge, too. Like, not just, like, average Joes. I mean, like, more people, like, Elon status. You know, no one's Elon status, but I mean, like, you know, somebody in that 1%, you know, needs to get up on Twitter and start saying something about Dogecoin. That'll help, you know. You know, of course, Snoop Dogg helps a little bit, but, you know, if Snoop Dogg talks about Dogecoin, it's an investment, right? So, would you take investment advice from Snoop Dogg? It's kind of odd to take investment advice from someone like that. No offense to Snoop, I really like Snoop, and I love his music, but I don't think I would take investment advice from the man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. So, like, the people that are promoting it are, you know, like, rappers and singers and pop artists, and it's like, they're not the ones to give investment advice, though. You know? They got money, but, like, that doesn't mean they know how to manage money. They got money from their, you know, from their profession, you know, music. They didn't get money from investing. If they got money from investing, then I'd be like, okay, I need to listen to these people a little bit more, you know? So, you know, Elon talks, that's good as gold, right? When Elon's promoting something, you know something's going to happen with Dogecoin if he's promoting Dogecoin. You know, whatever he promotes, man, it's going to turn to gold.
Sinister RP.
But more people like him,
most of them know how to really
that would help. That would help a lot.
RP says,
you know what I'm saying?
No asterisk.
No, yeah, the rappers and pop artists and shit, yeah, they know how to spend money. They're not the best people to talk to about making money. You know, unless you want to, like, learn how to, like, have a talent and sing and, I don't know, like, that's mostly just, like, talent, right? I mean, of course they worked hard to get there, but, you know, yeah, if you want that kind of advice, you talk to them, but how to invest your money? No. But anyway, Dogecoin, I think it's very hyped. A lot of people are talking about it. So I don't think it's going to, like, just drop and die. I don't think it'll ever... I don't know. You think it'll die? Could die. But I don't know. I don't think anytime soon. So I think if you're holding Doge right now, don't be worried about losing everything. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, I don't think you would lose everything. Like, it wouldn't go down that far if it goes down. In my opinion. We can look and see where it's at. Let's look at the price of Doge. Dogecoin price. Okay. We're going to look on a Coinbase. Dogecoin. Okay, so it's holding pretty strong.
How much did he buy?
Above 5 cents. And it's literally been at like 5 cents pretty much the whole day. The whole day it's been around 5 cents. Right? It did drop. The lowest it's dropped. Alright, let's look at like at a weekly. This is your Dogecoin. The lowest it's dropped is it's right here. It literally dipped to 0.048. That's the lowest it's dropped this whole damn week.
Oh, groovy, baby.
And it's been
Potion_gamer09.
It's been above that level since February 4th. It's been above 0.048 since February 4th. It is February 18th. That's pretty impressive. Didn't think that would happen with Dogecoin. So, do I think it's going to die anytime soon? No. Do I think it's going to be like heavily adopted and everybody's going to accept Dogecoin as a currency? I don't know. Probably not. Probably some people will. Some companies will accept it. You know, because it is popular. It's famous now, but I don't know. There's just a lot of better coins with better uses. And I've heard they're trying to like upgrade Dogecoin, try to make it, I don't know, better. But I don't know, we'll see, man. So that's my opinions on Doge. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's gonna go back to like 10 cents anytime soon. I don't think it's gonna hit $1, like ever. If Doge hits $1, I'm going to be talking about it. But I'm not currently holding any right now. I'm pretty much purely in Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. And I hold like a little bit of Nexo and a little bit of DeFi chain. And that's what I'm holding right now. But when I say a little bit of DeFi chain, I mean a very little bit of DeFi chain. But I hold a decent amount of Nexo. I like Nexo a lot. Anyway, let's see here.